Say hello to my little friend. Let's talk about some of the tools in my everyday carry system for so many years. Tignan natin kung ano yung naging benefit sa akin ng mga tools na ito over the years. Just like everybody else, nakaipon na rin ako ng mga gamit for the everyday carry system. Sa totoo lang, we all have a rotation of tools and components in our everyday carry system. Aminado naman ako na meron akong several tools in the rotation. But as much as possible, meron akong isang component na permanently nandun sa ECS rotation ko. One of those tools is also one of my oldest blades, which is the Victorinox Walker. I bought this thing way back in 1999. I think at the time ang tawag pa sa kanya lumberjack. It was only fairly recently na nalaman ko na ang tawag pala dito ay Walker, simply because of the tool set na meron siya. Now, one of the most notable things about this particular Victorinox of mine is that ito yung namumukod-tangi na blade na naisakay ko sa eroplan na carry-on luggage pa, and that was pre-9/11. Nadadala ko pa to sa eroplano. So that's just a testament of how harmless the Swiss Army knife is, and it also highlights the usefulness of the Swiss Army knife. Without a doubt, napaka-useful talaga ng Swiss Army knife, and para sa normal na tao, pag nakakita siya ng ganito, non-threatening siya. Kaya that time, madali lang siyang isakay sa plane, and this particular model was the one I took with me. Now, even with the proliferation of yung mga tinatawag na multi-tools, which is basically a folding pair of pliers na merong individual implements sa loob, why do I insist on carrying a Swiss Army knife? Number one criteria for me is that it's compact. Doon pa lang, malaki na ang advantage ng Swiss Army knife. Another factor is the lightweight. Napakagaan nito compared to a full-size Swiss Army knife din or a multi-tool. Malaking bagay kasi for the everyday carry system yung weight and the size, and this particular Victorinox model is a happy marriage of both. Now you might ask, bakit mo gagamitin for urban carry ang isang Swiss Army knife na merong lagare? The saw is most useful, lalo na pag ikaw ay nasa gubat. Yun yung mga unang iniisip ng tao. And yes, it's true, very useful siya for processing wood. But it can also do other things, like I use the wood saw para mag-modify ng mga tinatawag na natural fork slingshot. I also used it on PVC, and in the 2 decades na ginagamit ko siya, so far, good as mint condition pa rin tong blade na to. Of course, ilang beses na rin siyang nahasa kasi nagagamit nga siya ng nagagamit. Although, the main blade for this particular Victorinox is only used for food preparations. So, hindi ko masyadong ginagamit sa pambukas ng package or sa mga matitigas na bagay like cardboard. Medyo for me, no-no na para sa Swiss Army knife yung gano'n. I'd much rather use it on fruit, on bread. Pagka may inuman, at least may panghiwa ka ng crispy pata, di ba? Tsaka meron kang pambukas ng beer. Now, as you can see, maganda pa rin yung condition ng Swiss Army knife na ito. Simply because, ang pinili ko yung tinatawag na economy scale. So, it's not as shiny as Celidor version ng Walker. Medyo hindi siya ganun kakinang. But at the same time, it's more resilient to scratching. So, hindi halatang luma na yung gamit. Even after 24 years, maganda pa rin ang condition niya. Alagang-alaga nga lang. Now, going back to the wood saw, ano pa ang magandang gamit sa kanya? Now, the wood saw, aside from processing wood, nagamit ko na rin pang tabas ng puno ng malunggay sa labas. Nagamit ko na rin siyang pang scrape. And nagamit ko na siya pang grate ng cheese. Aside from that, this particular wood saw that Victorinox makes is perfect for striking a ferro rod. Isa siya sa pinakamagandang saw blade incorporated into a multi-tool. Now, over the years, ano lang upgrade ang ginawa ko dito? Of course, I never changed the scales. I wanted to keep everything as original as possible. I even have the original na keyring niya dito. Dinagdagan ko lang ng borloloy. But otherwise, I love carrying it because it really feels good in the hand. And it also feels good in the pocket. Hindi siya mabigat, kaya kahit na nakapuruntong shorts lang ako sa bahay, dala-dala ko pa rin to. At madalas talaga siyang magamit sa bahay. So many different things. Ang pinaka-upgrade na ginawa ko lang dito is to attach or replace the toothpick, which is bihira namang gamitin. Hindi ko naman pinasusungkit ng tinga. I replaced the toothpick with a micro ferro rod, which takes the place of the toothpick on the scales. So yun lang ang pinaka-upgrade nito. And dahil meron na akong capability to start fire, I have a wood saw. I have a very compact survival tool in my hands. And that's good enough reason to keep it with me every day. Minsan naiisip ko ilagay ko siya sa kit, but for me, it still belongs in my pocket. More than 20 years na kami magkasama, hindi pa rin kami mahiwalay. And ang dami na namin pinagsamahan nito. Aside from taking it with me on a plane, ito rin yung namumukod-tangi na dala-dala kong blade when I went to Palawan and we were off-grid. We were there to document the Tagbanwa tribe. So yung lugar, talagang rustic na rustic. Walang tubig, walang ilaw. Kailangan mag-process ng firewood, kailangan mag-food preparations. So gamit na gamit tong Victorinox na ito. All in all, napakagandang EDC because it's compact, it's lightweight, and it does most everything I need to do within any given day. Hindi ko naman masyadong ginagamit yung pliers, so I'm not an electrician, I'm not a mechanic, so hindi ko masyadong dinadala yung Victorinox na Swiss tool kahit na meron ako nun. It's something that I rarely carry with me. And seriously, kapag pinag-usapan natin EDC, everyday carry, wala nang tatalo pa dito kasi bihirang-bihira na hindi ko dala to. Siguro the only occasions na hindi ko siya dala is pagsasakay na ng eroplano these days or when I was working in government. Pero on a normal day, I would have it on kasi nga nakukyutan ako sa kanya. Tsaka kahit na hindi ko siya ginagamit, kahit hawak-hawak ko lang siya, masaya na ako. So anyway, I just really wanted to share with you why I love this Victorinox walker so much. And what makes it more valuable nowadays is that it has already been discontinued by Victorinox. So wala nang ipoproduce ang Victorinox na walker. Kaya kung meron pa kayo mahanap sa market, bilhin nyo na kung gusto nyo ng ganito. Buti na lang, 24 years ago, I decided to get this. Although I also have another small Victorinox knife, which is the Waiter, which I'll talk about in a future video. But at any rate, sulit na para sa akin tong Victorinox walker. And this has been the knife that somehow made me seriously involved in EDC. Syempre before this, nag-EDC na ako, pero dito na ako nagseryoso nung nakuha ko na siya and na-realize ko na yung value of having a good multi-purpose pocket knife on you all the time. And that's been the long and the short of it. This has been Abs Abando for Manila Sentinel. Raw, get yourself a walker.